Aviation This Week is brought to you by Lavero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Your top story. WestJet launches its Dreamliner service with a flight to Gatwick. Then Centennial opens its Downsview campus, and a Pratt Whitney-powered A319neo makes its maiden flight. WestJet on April 29th launched its new 787 Dreamliner service with a sold-out flight from its home base in Calgary to London Gatwick. WestJet's first Dreamliner to enter service, with tail number 901, is named after company founder and chairman Clive Beddoe, who was on the 787's inaugural flight. WestJet now has service to London from 6 Canadian cities. The launch of the 787 Dreamliner will provide around 24,000 more Gatwick to Calgary seats per year on the same number of aircraft. WestJet's Dreamliners carry 320 people in a 3-class cabin configuration, including the airline's newly revealed business cabin featuring 16 private pods with lie-flat seats. On May 17th, WestJet will launch its inaugural direct Dreamliner flight between Calgary and Paris, followed by a first Dreamliner flight from Calgary to Dublin on June 1st. In related news, WestJet on April 24th celebrated the opening of its new 787 Dreamliner maintenance hangar at Calgary International Airport. The result of a $50 million investment, the 120,000 square foot hangar accommodates one 7879 Dreamliner or up to 4 737 aircraft. Centennial College on April 25th officially opened its Downsview Campus Centre for Aerospace and Aviation. Centennial and its updated aerospace technology programs will serve as the centerpiece of the 4-acre campus located on the historic site of de Havilland, Canada. The $72 million project repurposes the former de Havilland building with selective demolition and new construction to create 12,700 square meters of instructional space, including 2 aircraft hangars. Centennial projects its larger teaching space will allow for the enrollment to grow from 300 students to more than 900. Another primary goal of the project is to create an Ontario aerospace hub in collaboration with the Downsview Aerospace Innovation and Research Consortium. During the opening celebration, consortium member Bombardier announced its donation of a CRJ-200 regional aircraft to the program. The CRJ becomes the program's largest and first ever commercial aircraft. Described as the last of the A320neo variants, an Airbus A319neo powered by Pratt Whitney GTF engines made its first flight. With a crew of 5, the A319neo took off from Toulouse on April 25th and remained in the air for just under 3 hours. Airbus is planning to achieve certification for the aircraft by the fourth quarter of 2019 after its test flight campaign. The same aircraft, MSN 6464, had originally been powered by CFM LEAP 1A engines for that variant's test campaign, which began in March 2017. It achieved FAA and EASA certification in December 2018. The A319neo is the smallest member of the single-aisle A320neo family, which overall has more than 6,500 orders from some 100 customers since its launch in 2010. Thanks again to our sponsor, Lavero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Register today for Careers in Aviation 2019, taking place on May 25th in WestJet's facility at the Calgary International Airport.